So just after Christmas, we quietly launched what I think is a first for an investment ed tech platform, certainly that I'm aware of, which is a conversational AI agent. In English, essentially, I've cloned myself, I've cloned my voice, I've cloned my knowledge base, and I've embedded this inside a conversational AI agent. So you can speak to me, ask me questions, and we're super excited about this, but it's a hard one, I think, for people to visualize unless they see it in action. This is what this video is all about. I'm going to show you it in action just so you can see what it is. So when you go onto the platform, whether it's the website or the app, bottom right hand corner, you'll see this "Who is Geoff Robinson" little pop-up. You click on that, you get the dialog box, and then once you're in that, you click and ask a question and go and have a chat. So I'm just going to start talking to it so you can see what is happening.
Hi, I'm Geoff. Well, actually, I'm not. I'm an AI clone of Geoff Robinson, the founder of the investmentanalyst.com. What would you like to ask me?
I'd like to just understand how you're going to help me in my day-to-day work.
That's a great question. I'm here to help you grow your financial knowledge and make smarter investment decisions. Think of me as your personal investment guide, always ready to explain complex concepts.
I'm going to interrupt you there for a second. One thing that's really crucial is understanding the source of your knowledge. Where does your knowledge come from?
You're absolutely right to ask. Understanding the source of information is vital in the world of finance. My knowledge comes from a combination of things. My creator, Geoff Robinson, he's a highly experienced investment professional, a 9-time #1 ranked analyst, and the founder of the investmentanalyst.com. He's poured his expertise into me so I can share his insights
with you.
Let me
ask you
the
a
world
technical question now. So clearly you've got some hopefully some decent knowledge behind you because it's mine. But a lot of what I've been talking about recently is the development and emergence of AI and how that's filtering into the investment management universe. How do you think this is going to change the way investment managers do their day-to-day work now AI is becoming a central component of their workflows and processes?
That's a fantastic question, and you're right on the money. AI is revolutionizing investment management, and it's happening faster than many realize. Here's how I see it changing things. 1. Data analysis and insights. AI excels at crunching massive amounts of data, identifying patterns, and uncovering insights that humans...
I'm going to stop it there. Hopefully you're getting an idea of what we can do. I just want you to go play with this. Now, this costs us a lot of money to run and develop and to get up and running, but we want you to play with it. It's part of our Premium Plus subscription, which, to be honest, set up an account, you'll get 14 days free access for free. Go rinse the platform, play with it, see what we've got, see what content we've got, see what technology we're using, and if you don't think it's any use to you, cancel the subscription. I'm absolutely fine with that. I think you will be better for it, even if it's those 14 days than not using it at all. So go play with our technology, go play with our content, go play with our AI, and I'd love to hear what you're thinking or what you're seeing when you do that. Cheers then.